My name is Greg Lancette. I am the president of the New York State Pipe Trades, and we believe that thermal energy networks should be included in a zero emissions energy source in New York State. TENS can play a crucial role in our transition towards a sustainable future, providing reliable and low carbon heating and cooling solutions to bridge the reliability gap from renewables that depend on the weather. To further support this comment, the National Renewable Energy Laboratory, NREL, a national laboratory of the U.S. Department of Energy, said geothermal energy offers zero carbon energy and reliable capacity to the system while also providing ancillary services, including spinning reserves and black start capability. One key takeaway from thermal energy networks: they make the electric grid more reliable and resilient while reducing overall carbon emissions. Another key reason why TENS should be included in New York's definition of zero emissions is because it can help integrate other renewables into the grid as currently mandated under New York's Climate Act. For example, TENS can be directly integrated with solar technologies and fossil fuel power generation. They can also be co-located with other renewable energy technologies, such as wind, to provide a more resilient hybrid energy system. To facilitate a smooth transition to a clean energy future, it is appropriate for New York State to provide incentives, rebates, and subsidies to promote the adoption of TENS in various sectors. State college campuses and other publicly owned facilities can be excellent candidates for such programs. These measures will enable energy users to access the benefit of TENS while simultaneously reducing their carbon footprint. TENS can be employed in a variety of industrial, commercial, and residential settings, and here's a few examples. Industrial facilities can utilize TENS to meet their process heating and cooling requirements, reducing their reliance on fossil fuels and minimizing environmental impact. Projects like Clay, New York Micron Megafab campus will be utilizing some of these technologies, and that is a facility that could add to an overall larger network. Office buildings, hotels, and shopping centers can integrate TENS into their HVAC systems and provide energy efficient heating and cooling to the occupants while reducing energy consumption and emissions. Residential, TENS could be harnessed to provide centralized heating and cooling to residential communities, ensuring comfort and sustainability for homeowners while eliminating the need for individual fossil fuel-based heating systems. And my favorite is actually the district heating and cooling. It's one of the most important. TENS can be implemented at the district level, serving entire neighborhoods or communities with cost-effective, environmentally friendly heating and cooling solutions. By simply having an industrial or commercial business in the loop replace aging cooling towers with heat exchangers, they could simply add to the district loop for both residences and businesses that would utilize the undesired heat from their own facility. The bottom line is, including TENS as a zero emission energy source will generate jobs growth across all industries and sectors. Skilled workers in the pipe trades are eager to prepare for the thousands of jobs that will be created to build the new clean energy system. Investments in training and workforce development will ensure that our union members will have the necessary skills to contribute to the success of TENS implementation as part of a just transition required by CLCPA. In conclusion, recognizing thermal energy networks as zero emissions, renewable energy sources aligns with New York State's commitment to reducing greenhouse gas emissions and creating a sustainable energy future. It also will open New York and New York-based projects to increased funding from the federal government, which shares a strategic climate goal to decarbonize building, heating, and cooling loads by capturing the economic potential for 17,500 geothermal district heating systems and installing geothermal heat pumps in 28 million households nationwide by 2050. 2 million of those households are located here in New York State, and they could utilize this proven technology also. Providing incentives, rebates, and subsidies for TENS will support the transition to clean energy systems while creating new job opportunities and benefiting energy users across the state. Thank you.